Hi there all, this is David Whitaker with Whitaker Marketing Group, and I'm giving you a 2019 Farmland Market Update here live on Facebook. Start with a fun fact. Fun fact, there was 85,425 acres sold in 2018. As I'm sitting here this evening, I decided to do some numbers and kind of want to share them with you guys in case you're looking to buy or sell a farm. As we look here over the past 12 months, you can see this is the entire state of Iowa, and this is all ground that is sold. So this is from the best tillable ground all the way to the hunting ground. If I average it all together, you're going to see from last February to this January that it stayed pretty constant right above the $7,000 per acre line. If I scroll down here just a touch, you'll see just the past 6 months of the same graph. You can see that in October, we dipped down a little bit for the state average, but overall the state average is still riding right about that $7,000 an acre mark. As I look at land sales every month and get you guys up to date of where we're at, if we look at January last month, you can see that there was 41 auctions just last month. Previous month in December, we had 74, and the previous month before that, we had 162. You can tell by this chart that I've made up that November is the #1 month that land sells in Iowa, of course, after a lot of people get together for Thanksgiving and after they serve termination in September on their farm. A lot of farms go to market. Of those 41 acres that went to, or sorry, those 41 auctions that went to market last month in January, that represents total acres of 4,182 acres, as you can see by the next auction volume by acres. As we go down, I want to know how that breaks down every month, and every farm is different. So what's the difference in high ground, medium ground, and low ground? I try to break it down for you here. High ground to me is anything above a 75 CSR. Medium ground is 50 to 75 CSR. And the low ground, this is your hunting and non-tillable ground, a little more towards southern Iowa. So last month in January, you can see that we're sitting at $8,754 per acre was the average. You can see in the past 12 months, it's slightly trending down, but there's been some ups and downs, but pretty steady market. If you look at the medium ground, we might be up just a titch at $5,052 an acre, and the low end ground is still staying steady at $4,811 per acre. If I break it down over the last 6 months, so if you look at the trend line on the really good tillable ground, it's almost about dead even steady right here. If we look at the last 6 months, it just increasingly goes up just a touch is the trending line. Again, your January figure there of last month for all high tillable ground or highly tillable ground, 8,754. Medium ground at 5,052, and the low end ground at 4,811. I tell you what, there's still a bunch of factors that are affecting farmland market. One is everybody's doing their taxes right now. Interest rates are going up. Commodity prices are still low, as well as there is the government programs that just have uncertainty right now, and they're all influencers of whether people are going to buy farm ground and how much they're going to give for it. Overall, as you can see by the charts here, the land market is super stable, and people that want to buy land, they always want to buy more of it. 82% of farms are owned free and clear in Iowa. Make this a little bit bigger. 82% of farms are owned free and clear in Iowa. So with that being said, there's a lot of cash on the market, and there is a lot of money in the outliers there. So if you're looking to sell your farm, or you're looking to buy a farm, realize that farm prices are staying pretty steady. I'll show you one other thing here. Let me zoom out just 1 second. I'm going to come in here. If you ever go to our website and want to know what's for sale on the market, land that's for sale in Iowa, currently right now there is 40 auctions for next month on the ticket, or right now on the market there's 40 auctions. There's 792 listings across Iowa and 832 total farms on the market just in Iowa. Again, I want to give you a market update here, short and sweet. That's what we got for the data to come to you this month. I'm David Whitaker with Whitaker Marketing Group. You can go to iowalandguy.com. Thank you.